Welcome to the Peninsula Library System's new online catalog. Today's video will cover how to use the powerful advanced search for material in the new catalog. To get started, visit catalog.plsinfo.org and select your library from the drop-down menu. You may use any of the libraries on this list, but for today, we'll show you Skyline College Library. Advanced searching requires some trial and error. We'll begin by clicking the Advanced Search link under the regular Search button. The first option on this page lets you construct your own query using Boolean logic. To learn to construct these powerful searches, we'll click the link on the right for Can I type my query if I know exactly what I'm looking for? This pop-up allows us to see many different options of possible facets and other example searches. Returning to the advanced search screen, we can now try out a Boolean search in this top box. You'll be asked if we want to edit the search directly instead of choosing from options below. We'll try that later. To create the Boolean search, we're going to combine facets such as the year of publication, the content, language, and material type, all separated by short words called operators. These are and, or not, and they're used as operators to combine things like the range of years and fiction in Spanish, but not DVDs. The point of the advanced Boolean search is to give yourself exactly the options you want in your search results while removing anything that doesn't match what you're looking for. If you're not really into learning a whole new language just for a more powerful search option, you're still in luck. Below the Boolean search box is a more familiar form to guide you in constructing an advanced search. Here you can limit your search using the same Boolean logic without having to learn the language yourself. Say I want a DVD of Romeo and Juliet, but not the one with Leonardo DiCaprio starring. I can put in that information one piece at a time using the advanced search options on the page, and when I finally click search, I'll be certain that only items matching the information I put in will be returned. So no Leonardo DiCaprio among the results here. One more example of this. Let's say I want a CD recording of the song Somewhere Over the Rainbow, but I want one that was published, say, in the last few years, something that didn't come from the original cast recording. So I can put in the title and enter a range of dates, and then finish up by telling it I only want items that are in a musical CD format. The red text at the top of the search results page shows how this search was translated into Boolean language. Our results should include only CDs that have the words Somewhere Over the Rainbow somewhere in their description or in the text available to us. When you make a search you're happy with, you can save it for later by logging in at the top of the screen. This allows you to come back to it if new items are added. Advanced search can also be particularly useful by letting you browse all of what we offer in a certain area. Say I want to know what magazines are available at my local branch in Redwood Shores. I can choose the format type and choose the branch under the Held At menu. Searching this way will allow me to see every magazine that branch carries in a list. I can sort that list at the top of the screen. Instead of by relevance, I can choose by title. And now I have an alphabetical list of every magazine available at that branch, just as though I were browsing in person. Another example, I can find which libraries hold the most books in the large print format. If I really like reading large print books, I may want to know which library I can go to browse the biggest collection. Overall, I can see how many books are available in the whole collection, but by choosing the locations and which branches have the most items available, in this case that's Menlo Park and Burlingame, I can see which branch might make the most sense to visit in person for my browsing needs. With a little practice, advanced searching can take you from our entire collection of nearly 1 million records and find what you're looking for in moments. As always, ask your local librarian for help if you have any trouble.